today I am going to be showing you my squishy collection in 2018. So I have to do a squishy collection at 2018, like probably like a month ago, but this time is the squishy collection 2018 at June, as my way to see it. So let's get started. So the first squishy is this ice cream, and this is really cute. As you see, it's because I put a bad lighting. I'm in my bedroom right now, and this thing to be so cute. So here's the ice cream. It's really cute. So cute. So I pulled out like a chair so I could sit down, and here's the squishy. So cute. I'm gonna put a bed like me. So next I have and next I have, sorry about that. I actually use it. I actually use the pillow to stand it up, and then the phone case to just lay it down like this. So sorry about that thing. Next squishy is this owl, and by the way, I was gonna say I want to save it my video glass. So here's the owl. I also forgot to show you the licensing here. This is the license right here. You can see that. The defect squishy, but yeah. And this is the licensing here. It's really hard to see because it's also pink, but this way it's squishier also. And suddenly you really don't have any why. Here's the owl. That's super cute. And by the way, sorry for my bad face, all that stuff. It's getting really soft now. If you guys didn't see the out thing, it's really like very light. But I'm just going to open this just because now you can see kind of better. Now, the next squishy I have is, I'm gonna take this one. Circle French fries. It's not really squishy, it's really dense, but and next I also have this is like a pink bun, and it looks really bright. That's really bright. I never know. I actually like deco, so I actually really like the deco. It's so it really want to see your face. So yeah. And then next I also have, I'm just gonna do it really quickly. Because it's low battery, so I'm going to do it really quickly. And next I also have this donut. Okay, I don't know if you didn't know. I also did it as my other squishy collection. And next I also have this tube thing. See this. It's not too polarizing, but still cute. And next we have this sticker pie. This is like a new squishies. I bought it just yesterday, and I just do the haul on my Instagram. So don't forget to check it out. I will link in the description box down below. So here it is. It has like a little hanger like this. And I also have like this. It's actually like a bun. I also have to do this in my other video. And next we also have the blue one. I also got the blue one. We also have like this bear